Let's go.
I'm Mei Lee. I wear what I want, say what I want, 24/7, 365.
I never said no bad.
I know, it's a lot. But I don't got time to mess around. Je me fromage blanc. All about that hustle, am I right?
You never know all my life.
Poor town. This is gonna be the best year ever. And nothing's gonna get in my way.
Mei Mei, breakfast is ready.
Coming.
It's gonna be me. Is everything okay?
I'm a gross red monster. Don't look at me. Stay back.
It's happened already?
What did you say?
Our ancestors had a mystical connection with red pandas.
Are you kidding me?
This little quirk runs in our family.
Streaming March 11th on Disney+.
You're so cute.
Sick. I've always wanted a tail.
I'm a freak. We love you, May.
You're our girl. Whoa.
You're you.
Any strong emotion will release the panda.
Abby, hit me.
Do you know how dangerous this is? You'll get whipped up into a frenzy and panda all over.
OMG! My whole life I've been perfect little Mei Mei. But maybe I like this new me.
Mama's girl.
Disney and Pixar's Turning Red. Rated PG. Original movie streaming March 11th. Only on Disney+.